Hello students, last class we have discussed problems on EVA and NPV. Today we are going to discuss the problem on depreciation schedule. It is asked in the question paper December 19 and Jan 20 for 6 marks. You can refer the slide for the problem. An equipment cost 20 lakhs and has an economic life of 4 years, at the end of which its expected salvage value is 6 lakh. See, they have given equipment cost is 20 lakh, economic life is 4 years, salvage value is 6 lakh. If the cost of capital is 12%, what will be the depreciation schedule under the sinking fund method? Under the sinking fund method, we need to find out the depreciation schedule. First, what they have given, we will calculate the annuity amount from the given information, that is equipment cost is 20 lakhs, economic life (4 years), salvage value (6 lakh), cost of capital (12%). Present value of salvage value we need to find out from this information. Present value of salvage value is equal to 6 lakh multiplied by PV of 12% is 0.636 for 4 years is 3,81,600. So, present value of annuity is equal to 20 lakh is the equipment cost minus 3,81,000 is the PV value of salvage, gives you 16,18,400 as the present value of annuity. So, therefore, annuity amount is calculated as present value of annuity amount, that is 16,18,400 divided by PVIFA annuity value of 12% 4 years is 16,18,400 divided by 3.037. 3.037 is PV factor of annuity 12% and 4 years. So, answer is 5,32,894. So, this is required to find out depreciation. So, once again I will explain. Equipment cost is 20 lakh, economic life is 4 years, salvage value is 6 lakh, cost of capital is 12%. From this information we have found out present value of salvage value for 12%, PV of 1 rupee table is 0.636 for 4 years. So, 6 lakh multiplied by 0.636 gives you 3,81,600. So, present value of annuity becomes 20 lakh cost minus PV of the salvage value gives you 16,18,400. So, from this information annuity amount gives you 16,18,400 divided by present value interest factor annuity table you need to look, and 12% for 4 years, answer is 3.037. Divide is 16,18,400 divided by 3.037 gives you 5,32,894. So from this information we need to find out the depreciation charge under salvage under sinking fund method. Depreciation charge under sinking fund method. Only for 4 years you need to take. So first one, capital. For the first year, capital is 20 lakh. So capital charge, that is cost of capital, is 12%. Capital charge is particular one multiplied by 0.12 gives you that is 20 lakh multiplied by 0.12, 2,40,000. Annuity amount which we have calculated, that is 5,32,894. So depreciation is nothing but annuity amount minus capital charge. That means 5,32,894 minus 2,40,000 gives you 2,92,894. So first year I will explain once again. Capital is 20 lakh, 12% is the cost of capital, multiply with a 0.12 gives you 2,40,000. Annuity amount which we have calculated, that is 5,32,894. Depreciation is nothing but annuity amount minus capital charge, 2,92,894. So in the sinking fund, what will the next capital will be like this: 2 lakh minus depreciation, 2,92,894 is nothing but answer is 1,70,000, 17,07,106. See, 2 lakh minus depreciation gives you 17,07,106 as capital. Multiply by 12%, 204853. Annuity amount same, 532,894. So 532,894 minus 2,04,853 gives you 3,28,041 as depreciation. Like the same you need to continue for the third year and fourth year. So from 17,07,106 minus 328,041 gives you 137,9065. Multiply by 12%, 165,488. Annuity amount 532894. 532894 minus 165,488 gives you 367,406. So 1379065 minus 367406 gives you 121399. Multiply by 12%, sorry, gives you 10106 1011659. Multiply by 12%, that is 10,11,659 multiply by 12% gives you 121399. Next, 532,894 minus 121,399, 4,11,495 is the value for depreciation value through sinking fund method. Once again, I will explain. Capital investment for the first year is 20 lakh. Cost of capital is 12%, that is 2 lakh 40,000. After getting the cost of capital, annuity amount which we have calculated in the beginning, at the beginning we need to write that amount 5,32,894. Depreciation becomes annuity amount minus capital charge, that is 2,92,894. Because of the sinking fund, 20 lakh minus depreciation gives you the next year capital, that is 17 lakh 7,106. Multiply by 12%. Again same method, that is annuity amount minus capital charge gives you depreciation. We need to do for the third year and fourth year respectively. Okay, thank you.